Hello everyone. Today we are talking about triangle. As we already know that if there are two lines, either they are the intersecting lines or they are the parallel lines. But when we make three lines instead of two, then we can construct a first two-dimensional figure that is known as triangle. When we have a triangle, then this triangle has one specific property. Basically there are two parameters. One is the side and another is the angles. When I talk about side, then AB is known to be a side, BC is known to be a side, and AC is known to be a side. Now the first and foremost thing is that the vertex has to be defined by the capital letters. Suppose I am making a triangle and I am writing ABC. This is a wrong way of representing a triangle. When I am saying a triangle ABC, that means a capital A, capital B and capital C are the vertex, AB, BC and AC are the sides. When I talk about the angles, then this is one of the angles. This is known as angle B, or this can also be written as angle ABC. Same way, if I am talking about this as an angle, it is angle C, or it can be written as angle BCA. So basically, there are 6 parameters of a triangle. There are 3 sides in a triangle and there are 3 angles in a triangle. Now, when we talk about any of the triangle, there is one property which is fixed for all the triangles. And this property is that the sum total of all the angles, angle A plus angle B plus angle C, the sum total of all the angles should always be 180 degrees. This is true for all the triangles. This is actually for the reason that if I construct a line here and I construct a line parallel to a line AB. Now, because AB and DC are two parallel lines and this will act as a transversal, so this angle B and this angle DCF are both equal. Now, if in case I am saying that this is a line and this is another line, we can take this as a figure where this angle and this angle, I am saying angle BAC, this one, and angle ACD are both equal. So if in case we talk about this as a whole angle, then we know that the straight angle is always, straight line angle is 180 degree, and this is the sum total of all the 3 angles which are there. So the sum total of all the angles of all triangles is always 180 degree. Now, the triangle can be classified on 2 bases. One is on the basis of side and another on the basis of angles. When I am talking on the basis of sides, then there is a possibility that the length of all the 3 sides is equal. When the length of all the 3 sides is equal, that means the length of this side AB, the length of this side BC and the length of this side AC are all equal. This is known as equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. If in case instead of 3 sides, 2 sides are equal in length and the another third side is different, we can construct it like this. This is A, B, C. The length of AB and the length of AC are both equal, but BC length is different from AB and AC. Then this is known as isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Now here all the 3 sides are equal, here 2 sides are equal, but if none of the sides are of equal length, all the 3 lengths are different. AB length is different from BC and BC length is different from AC, then this is known as scalene triangle. So when we define the triangles on the basis of side, either it is an equilateral triangle or isosceles triangle or it is a scalene triangle. We can also classify the triangle on the basis of angles. When all the three angles are less than 90 degree, then this triangle is known as acute angled triangle. Acute angled triangle. When I am saying that we construct a triangle where one of the angle is 90 degree, then it is known as right angled triangle. Right angle, the meaning of right angle is actually 90 degree, so we are saying a right angled triangle. If one of the angle is more than 90 degree, this angle is more than 90 degree, or we can say obtuse angle, then this triangle is known as obtuse angle triangle. Here one thing is very very important, that when we talk about a right angle triangle, there can only be one 90 degree angle, because here we already know the property. Sum of all the angles of any triangle is always 180. So if it is 90 degree, then the remaining two angles must be less than 90 degree, so that the sum comes out to be 180. Same is the case with obtuse angle triangle. There is only one angle possible, which is having the angle more than 90 degree, otherwise the triangle is not possible. In the next class we will define that how to construct a triangle if three of the measurements, either two sides and one angle, or one side and two angles, or all the three sides are given, then how can we construct the different triangles?